Mayroong gagawin dito sa bahay, kaya kailangan nakakulong sila. Tingnan natin kung obra ito. Wais pa naman to si Candy. Ayan, pati ako nakulong na. Umiiyak siya.
Yeah, you're gonna stay right there, whether you like it or not. Just come in and out as you need. Don't knock on the door. All right. There you go, buddy. Okay, love.
Where will I go? I'll stay here too.
We'll get you. Yeah, you stay there too. Chase your tail like Candy does. Go ahead, chase your tail. Oh, Candy, you crazy.
She was banging the door. Look at that, the Daisy dog. No more treats. See, your house is there. Candy, your house is here.
Yeah, when you're ready, love, come over here. We'll get you out.
Okay.
Step on here. Step up. Come on, love.
Yeah. Carry me.
Okay.
Carry me down.
There you go, love.
Okay.
Oh, I know it.
She will jump.
Daisy's thinking I will jump up there. Hell, I will escape. I will jump up there.
Put the box there. Here is box. Is it heavy?
No. That's where you have to stay for now. I'm sorry. If you weren't such a pain in the ass, you wouldn't have to stay there. But you're nothing but a pain in the ass, so that's where you get to
Okay,
stay.
dyan mo na.
No, Daisy, stop with your bullshit.
She wants to jump.
No, stop.
You're in jail? Huh? You're in jail? Oh no. Oh, Casey. How about their food? Oh, it's there. Okay. Bibigyan ko kayo dito ng pagkain, ha? Sige. Okay, Penny went to her room. Oh boy, your house is there. It's just for a while, okay? Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Daisy said, stop it, Candy. Oh, Casey is crying. Go to your house, Casey. Your house is there. Go, Casey. Ha, Candy. Your house is here, Candy.
Oh my God, it's the end of the goddamn world. You have to stay in there for a while.
Penny went
Holy
to her house.
Yeah, Penny's good. See, Penny will just be like, okay, I'm going there. Oh, but the rest of them stop. Now just stop with it. I don't want to hear it. Just stop.
Oh, they will put the tiles at the sink there now?
They will fix the plumbing, yes.
Ah.
Oh God. A lot of in and out to get started. Well, Sam, you don't have to explain. I mean, Ray.
It's okay, Sam's my buddy, so if you call me anybody else, it's okay.
Sam's the that guy.
Go to your house, Casey.
Oh, you hear somebody say, hey, this is going to be cheaper. Shay, what's your name? Can? Carson. Carson. Hey, when you go down here, be careful. That's just a bucket. You step on it, you out. You'll fall. So just be careful every time you go in there. But when you get down, look up. There's a light switch. Turn the light switch on. There's just one light. So you're going to need the headlight, flashlight, something down there. There's only one damn light down there. And it's right next to the ferns. Hey! Give it a rest. Give it a rest. We don't need it. Now we heard you. We know. No, you're not coming out. I don't know what the big deal is. Why you think you think something's gonna, you're so special where you need to be out here and sniff and bark and stay in there and do your thing.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you later, folks. Hot dogs. Go to your house. They say your house is in the middle. Casey, you're there. And Candy, this is your house. Take a rest. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah. Oh. We'll get us some rabbit dinner, won't we, honey? Yeah. You want some rabbit stew? Yeah, I bet you do. How about a rabbit steak? Oh, great. Oh, yeah.
Casey is mad.
Yeah. Oh, they were scattered. Here comes the guy. They were scared.
Statue.
Yeah, their statue. See, wait, you cannot see us.
They
So
don't
he
move, huh?
stopped. He stopped and he's looking at him.
They know what to do.
Yeah, they just stop and act like, oh, see, you cannot see us. There is cat.
They run. Casey is mad.
Oh, you want to get him? You want to go outside and get him? Go get him. Go get him, Casey. Go get him, Casey. Get him, little girl. Go get him. Yeah.
That two they removed, still there.
It's still there?
Yeah. And then the guy come back to take a video too.
Oh, I see.
Oh yeah, he's there. Look,
He's there now.
taking a video.
Oh, goodness. Very nice.
And he take a picture.
Oh,
The two runs.
wow.
They are mama and babies.
Mama and baby. Well, I guess there was 4 of them, like I said. Maybe the daddy and mama and 2 babies. Oh, little girls. Yeah, well, you gonna get them? You gonna get them, huh?
Very smart. Now one come back.
Oh.
Maybe they live in the bushes.
Yeah.
In that pine tree. Hindi kayo makalabas. Nagbibideo ako ng ibon. Ayun sila. Hala, Casey. See the birds, Penny? Huh? You see the birds, Candy? Let them eat, okay? Don't go out. Close the doggy door so they cannot chase them. Hala, Casey. I wonder what they're eating from there. Casey, nangangati ka? Ha? Nangangati ka, Casey? Galit na si Candy kaya hindi makalabas. Ayan na si Casey. Sandali lang. Kumakain pa yung mga ibon eh. Hahabulin mo eh. They're having their breakfast, okay? The birds are having their breakfast. Don't bother them. Hold your chones. Kumakain pa sila eh. Mamaya na. Ayan yung dalawa. Siguro ano yan. Sandali lang, Penny. Kumain ka na eh. Binigyan kita ng pagkain eh. Agoy, ayan na naman si Casey. Maya-maya to sa Pilipinas. Meron din pala dito. Maya-maya sa Amerika. Shout out sa aking mga friendship dyan. Habang nagbi-video ako dito. Pinay Domestic Helper, Mylene Raka, Lula Nani, Mommy Ed and the Boys. O ito may malapit to. Nasaan na? Yan. Wait a minute, Penny. I know you're in a hurry to chase them. Butterfly.tv. Thank you so much, bro. Uy, lumalapit siya. Lumalapit siya. Ayan. Ayun, lumipad. Nakita ako. Mayroon pa ba? Ayan, nandyan pa. Alma B, thank you, loves. Alma Berman, thank you. Iko she vlog, thank you so much also sis. Maricel Basyang vlog, thank you. Lisa's Fergie vlog, thank you. Sorry sa mga makalimutan ha, kay may Alzheimer's to eh. Makalimutin na ang lola. Larry, 5,200. Thank you, bro. Kim DeMay, thank you. Sisi Koy. Mga kagrupo ni Butterfly.tv. Thank you. Hindi na ako nakakasali kasi dalawa ang trabaho ng lula. Tulog lang ang pahinga. Ayun, may squirrel pa doon, oh. Oh, ha? Naghahanap siya ng ano. Naghuhukay siya ng kwan. Naghuhukay siya ng tataguan ng kanyang pagkain. Saan na yung ibon? Ang kulay nila, kakulay ng damo, hindi makita. Ayan, dami pa nila, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We call this in Philippines, maya-maya. Maya bird. And this is our national bird in the Philippines. Maya. Nancy Ting, thank you also. Hindi na masyado nakaka-YouTube kasi busy ang lula sa trabaho. Pasensya na hindi agad makabalik sa inyo guys. At saka si ako yan, sino ba yun? Perth Gardening ba yun? Oo, nasa Australia siya. Thank you din sa iyo. Lahat ng mga Kabilogs World, thank you bro Dong, Kulets. At saka yung mga taga USA. Tumble Vlogs. Tambol USA Vlogs at saka si Agoy, ano ba itong nakalimutan ko na. Basta lahat ng mga taga USA, thank you kasi pasensya na, hindi maalala yung channel. Pero alam ko, andyan kayo lagi nanonood ng video ko. Kahit late lagi magbayad. Ayan, thank you guys for watching. Ayan, bubuksan ko na ang aking doggy door dito at na makalabas na sila kasi ihing-ihi na sila. O, ayan! Casey! Penny! Penny! Bukas na! Bukas na, yan! I open the door. It's open. Sige, tulog lang kayo dyan. Kumakain pa yung mga ibon eh. Wala. Buti naman. Ayan, dyan lang sila. Andoon yung aking kamatis, oh. Hindi makalabas kasi nakalaki tong pintuan dito. Kaya malamig daw. Ayun yung aking kamatis. Ang balay nila, bato, o, diba, bungga. Sana hindi. Hinukay ng ano yan. Hinukay ng squirrel. Kaya nagtago ng mani niya. Tapos hinanap ni Casey. O, di, sira, diba? Tinanim ko ulit. Mabuti, nabuhay pa. Thank you for watching. Ayan, dahil sunny day, nagbukas na sila. Nakaharap talaga sa araw, oh. Tingnan nyo yan. Yan. Kaharap talaga siya sa araw. Kailangan nilang init para bumuka. 2 days din silang nakasara. Ko yung mga aso umiiyak. Ito naman yung anong klaseng halaman ito. Ayan, tumutubo na yung dahon. Ayan. May mga bagong tumubo para magkadahon. Ayan, nagkaroon ng sanga. Unti-unti nagkadahon. Ayan. Soon, ito magkakaroon na rin yan ng dahon. Dito yan sa harap ng bahay. Yan. Masaya na kasi nagkadahon na. Hindi na patay. Yung isa wala pang dahon yun. Puno ng kapitbahay. Okay, ready? Candy is fast. No more candy? Huh? No more?